Hi there and welcome to my channel. Marianne Nails very kindly have recently sent me 5 of their stamping plates to swatch and review. And in my last video I showed you the first plate, and I'll leave all of their links in the description box to their website and social media. What I'm doing is breaking these down into 5 videos which will be uploaded this week and next week. But if you have missed any, just check out my Marianne playlist, as that's where they'll be. And I'm going to be showing you the second plate, which is stamping plate number 8. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that like button, as it really does help me out. Personally, I love mandala inspired plates, so when I saw that this had been sent to me, I was so excited. And there is 25 absolutely amazing designs. If you love mandala, you'll love this plate. I did wonder if I would have some issues because there's a lot of open space on some of these designs. However, out of the 25 images, I think there's 2 or 3 of the swatches that I should have redone again. But they are so full of beautiful detail. For all of my swatches, I've used my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, and I've used the clear head and my usual mix of stamping polishes. I will say that my Hit the Bottle, Colour Alike and Nicole Diary stamping polishes did seem to work the best for me. There is quite a few of the swatches that I want to actually turn into full manis. I think I've counted 10 so far from this plate. And for me personally, this plate will get a lot of use. However, I think that making these into either decals or reverse stamping might be a little bit tricky. But over a multicoloured background, I think they would work really well. I was so surprised by these swatches. The plate has swatched really well. Like I've said, a couple of them I should have redone, but I adore this plate. And just like the first plate, each of them will have 2 manis. So the first mani is one of the swatches that I did, and I just loved the pink, the light pink over the dark pink. I don't often do this colour combo, even though it works so well, but I absolutely love this mani and I really didn't want to take it off. The second mani I personally think is a bit of a fail, but I've left it in anyway. I wanted to use a sparkly green nail polish, and I really did and ah over what colour to stamp with, and I decided to go with black, which I have to say didn't turn out so well. It sort of gets lost in the mani, but I definitely want to try this one again, but with a different colour stamp. So on to some live swatching, and I'm going to be using the Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, my Nicole Diary black stamping polish, and I'm just going to be taking a swatch from each line and placing it onto my lint roller. So with the 3 brands of stamping polish I've used for these plates, which I spoke about at the beginning, I think they work best because they are slightly on the thicker side. I also found that if I can scrape in 2 goes, I really do get a better pickup. These are just some of the things that I have found that work best for me personally, but I love Marianne Nails stamping plates. They are some really amazing plates and they are fantastic quality. So make sure you're following Marianne Nails' social media. There are links in the description box. They have just put up on their Instagram page some new plates, which I have to say look amazing. And also make sure you're subscribed to my channel as well, so you can see all 5 plates, and of course my other videos and many more to come. And I want to say a massive thank you to Marianne Nails for sending me these stamping plates to review. They really are some gorgeous plates. So I hope that you've enjoyed my swatch and review on this Marianne Nails stamping plate number 8. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe and share. And also don't forget to come over and follow me on Instagram at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!